Good morning, Mark. Are you ready to cook dinner today?
Good morning, Anna. I am very hungry and ready to start.
Let's look at this big red cookbook. I want to make something special.
That is a great idea. Do you want to cook meat or fish?
I think we should make a vegetable pie. It is healthy and very tasty.
I love vegetable pie. What ingredients do we need for it?
We need carrots and broccoli. We also need some flour and eggs.
I have a long shopping list here. I have everything in the fridge already.
That is perfect. You are very organized today.
I went to the market yesterday. The vegetables are very fresh.
Should we make a salad too? I like tomatoes and cucumbers.
Yes, let's make a big salad. It is good for our health.
What about the drink? Do we have orange juice?
No, we do not have juice. We have fresh lemons for lemonade.
I love cold lemonade. It is perfect for a warm day.
I will put the lemons on the counter. You can wash them later.
Okay, Mark. First, let's put on our aprons.
My apron is blue. It is very clean and new.
Mine is white with flowers. I am ready to work now.
The kitchen is very bright. I like the sun in the windows.
It is a beautiful day for cooking. We have a lot of time.
Should I start the oven now? It needs to be hot.
No, wait a little bit. We need to cut the vegetables first.
You are right. I will get the sharp knife.
Please be very careful. Knives are dangerous.
Do not worry, Anna. I am a very careful man.
I will wash the broccoli. The water is nice and cold.
I will start with the carrots. They are very bright orange.
This is fun. I like cooking with you.
I like it too. Let's make the best dinner.
The broccoli is clean. I am putting it in this bowl.
Good job, Anna. I am finished with the carrots.
The pieces are very small. You are a good cook, Mark.
Thank you very much. I practice every weekend.
Now we need to chop the onions. Do you want to do it?
No, thank you. Onions make me cry every time.
I can do it. I have a secret trick.
What is your secret? Tell me, please.
I drink some water. It helps my eyes stay dry.
That is very interesting. I will try it next time.
The onion is ready. It smells very strong.
Now the kitchen smells like a restaurant. I am getting hungrier.
Wait a few more minutes. We have more work to do.
Should I cut the potatoes now? They are in the basket.
Yes, please. We need 4 big potatoes for the pie.
I am washing them first. There is some dirt on them.
Clean vegetables are very important. We want healthy food.
I am peeling the skin now. It is very thin.
Put the skin in the trash. The counter must stay clean.
I am a very tidy cook. I clean as I go.
That is a great habit. It makes cleaning easier later.
The potatoes are ready. Should I put them in the pot?
No, put them in the bowl with the carrots. We mix them together.
Everything looks so colorful, green and orange and white.
It looks like a rainbow. Nature is beautiful.
Do we need garlic? I see a small head of garlic.
Yes, garlic adds a great taste. Use 2 small pieces.
I am crushing the garlic now. It smells wonderful.
Perfect, Mark. Now we are ready for the next step.
I am excited. What do we do?
Now we must make the sauce. It is the most important part.
What is in the sauce? Is it a secret?
It is a family secret, but I can tell you today.
I am listening carefully. I will not tell anyone.
We need cream and some cheese. We also need black pepper.
I have the cream here. It is very fresh and white.
Put it in the silver pot. The heat must be very low.
The stove is on. I am stirring the cream slowly.
Add some salt, please. Not too much, just a little bit.
I am adding the salt. The sauce is getting warm.
Now put the cheese in the pot. It needs to melt.
The cheese is yellow and soft. It smells very rich.
Use the wooden spoon. Metal spoons can be too hot.
You are right. The wooden spoon is very comfortable.
I'm adding some dried herbs. This is the secret part.
It smells like a garden. This sauce is amazing.
The sauce is thick. It is ready for the pie.
Should I taste it? I want to check the salt.
Yes, take a small spoon. Be careful, it is very hot.
It is perfect. It is very creamy and tasty.
I'm glad you like it. My grandmother made this sauce.
Your grandmother was a great cook. This is delicious.
I learned everything from her. She loved her kitchen.
I can feel the love in this food. Cooking is an art.
I agree with you, Mark. It makes people happy.
Now I am turning off the stove. The sauce is resting.
Good. Now we need to make the dough.
That sounds difficult. I am not good at making dough.
I will help you. We can do it together.
Okay, Anna, I am ready to try.
First, we need the flour. It is in the white bag.
I am opening the bag. Oops, there's flour on the table.
You have flour on your nose, too.
Really? I feel like a baker.
You look very funny. Let's put 2 cups of flour in the bowl.
1 cup and 2 cups. Is that enough?
Yes. Now we need 1 egg. Can you break it?
I'm trying. Oh no, a piece of shell fell in.
That is okay. I will take it out with a spoon.
I'm sorry, Anna. I'm a bit clumsy.
Do not worry. Breaking eggs is a skill.
Now I'm adding the milk. It is very cold.
Pour it slowly, please. We need a soft dough.
I am pouring it. The flour is getting wet.
Now use your hands. We must mix it very well.
My hands are very sticky. This feels strange.
Keep going, Mark. It will become a smooth ball soon.
It is getting harder to move. My arms are tired.
You are doing a great job. The dough looks perfect.
It is a big white ball now. It is not sticky anymore.
Perfect. We must use the rolling pin.
I have it here. It is made of heavy wood.
Roll it out thin. It must cover the glass dish.
I am pushing hard. The dough is getting flat.
Good. Put it into the dish carefully.
It fits perfectly. I am very proud of myself.
You should be proud. You are a natural baker.
Now we put the vegetables inside. They look great.
And now we pour the secret sauce. Cover everything.
The pie is ready for the oven. I'm excited.
The oven is very hot. It is ready for the pie.
I am putting on the oven mitts. They are big and orange.
Open the door slowly. The air is very warm.
The pie is inside. I am closing the door.
Now we wait for 30 minutes. Let's clean the kitchen.
I will wash the bowls. You can dry them.
That is a good plan. Teamwork makes the dream work.
The kitchen is clean again. Everything is in its place.
I can smell the pie now. It smells like bread and cheese.
It is the best smell in the world. I am so hungry.
Let's look through the glass. Can you see the color?
Yes, it is turning golden brown. It looks beautiful.
5 more minutes. We must be patient.
Patience is hard when food smells this good.
I will prepare the table. We need 2 plates and napkins.
I have the glasses for the lemonade. I will add some ice.
Lemonade with ice is perfect. The sun is very bright.
The timer is ringing. The pie is finished.
Open the oven, Mark. Let's see our masterpiece.
Wow! The cheese is bubbling and the crust is golden.
It looks exactly like the picture in the book.
It looks better than the picture. We made it together.
Put it on the wooden board. It needs to cool for a minute.
I can't wait. It looks so delicious.
Hot pie can burn your tongue. Please wait a little bit.
Okay, I will wait. I am looking at the salad.
The salad is fresh and green. Our dinner is perfect.
We are a great team, Anna. Thank you for teaching me.
Thank you for helping me, Mark. It was a fun day.
Now, let's take the pie to the table.
Everything is on the table. It looks so inviting.
I am sitting down. The lemonade is very cold.
Here is a big piece of pie for you, Mark.
Thank you, Anna. It looks very hot and soft.
And here is some salad. It has a lemon dressing.
I am taking my fork. I am ready to taste it.
Tell me what you think. Is it good?
Oh, wow. This is the best pie in the world.
I'm so happy. The secret sauce is the key.
The vegetables are soft. The crust is very crunchy.
I am tasting mine. It is very good.
Your grandmother's recipe is amazing. Thank you for sharing it.
I am glad we made it today. It is a special dinner.
The lemonade is very sweet and sour. It is refreshing.
Everything tastes better when you cook it yourself.
I agree. I know every ingredient in this food.
No chemicals and no bad things, only fresh vegetables.
My stomach is very happy. I feel very good.
Cooking is a great hobby. We should do this more often.
Yes, let's cook every Saturday. I want to learn more.
Next week, we can make pasta. Do you like pasta?
I love pasta. Can we make the sauce with tomatoes?
Yes, we can make a fresh tomato sauce. It is easy.
I will buy the tomatoes at the market. I will find the best ones.
You are a great partner, Mark. Dinner was perfect.
Thank you, Anna. I am full and happy now.
Let's watch a movie. We can relax.
That is a great idea. I will clean the table first.
No, stay here. We can clean together later.
Okay. Thank you for this wonderful day, Anna.